In Android Automotive OS, there is a very clear division of responsibility. Unlike a mobile phone, where an audio failure is mostly an inconvenience, in a vehicle, missing a safety sound can be dangerous. Because of this, Android Automotive is primarily responsible for infotainment sounds, such as media playback, navigation guidance, and phone calls. Safety-critical sounds, like seatbelt reminders or collision warnings, are not handled directly by Android. These sounds have strict timing and availability requirements, which a high-level operating system like Android cannot always guarantee. As a result, safety sounds are managed outside Android, often in dedicated hardware or below the hardware abstraction layer. It is important to remember one key principle. The vehicle hardware is always the final authority. If Android requests music playback, but the vehicle needs to play a collision warning, the hardware mixer will always prioritize the warning sound over Android Auto. Quick insight: system implementers are required to provide an external mixer that operates below Android. This mixer combines Android audio streams with vehicle hardware streams. Even if Android is rebooting, this design ensures that critical sounds, such as parking sensor alerts, are still audible to the driver.